Hey guys, my name's Tyler Smith here with MarineMax Texas MasterCraft, bringing you another new piece of inventory, the MasterCraft NXT24. This is a great piece of inventory. We're going to show you some of the features inside of the boat. This boat is here at MarineMax Texas MasterCraft. MarineMax is your one-stop shop for all your boating needs. We have great financing options. We're going to get you guys set up with boat insurance. We have a massive pro shop with all the boards, racks, anything that you guys could possibly need for your boat is going to be there. And then on the back end, we'll take care of you. Our service department is awesome. We're going to give you that peace of mind while you're out there on the water so you guys can just enjoy the summer, make some memories with your family, and worry about everything else later. Let's take a step inside and look at some of the features. Okay guys, starting off here on the transom of the boat, we have our brand new swim platform with the integrated swim step. The swim step is super awesome. You're going to be able to hang out and chill in the water whenever you're out there, and then also it makes it really easy for people who have a little bit of a harder time getting in and out of the boat to get on the boat and not have to worry about kind of pushing yourself up there. All right guys, as we step inside of the boat, you can see we have this awesome tan interior. This is our cool feel fabric. So this is going to make it so that even on those hot Texas days, it's not going to get too warm in here. You're going to be able to sit on any seats, not have to throw a towel down whenever you're there. We also have these integrated cup holders and phone holders. Really nice. If you've ever been out there on the water, you know you're always looking for a place to put your drink or your phone. It's a nice, safe, secure spot for all that stuff. We have our Z6 tower with our clamping board racks. It's going to keep your boards safe and secure whenever you're out there on the water. And we actually have 2 JL audio cans as well as JL audio throughout the boat. Great sound system that you're going to be able to hear from a while away. As we come inside of the boat, you can see we have that JL audio controller, Bluetooth, USB, aux, everything that you could possibly need, and zone control on there. Your analog dials, so you can keep an eye on everything that's going on with the boat, as well as your surf system. This is going to make it really easy for the captain and for the riders to get out there. Everybody can have a seamless, fun time out there on the water. On the port side here, we have our communicating storage that goes all the way down this seat right here. This is going to be awesome because you guys can store all your life jackets, towels, anything that you need inside of there, not clutter up space inside of the boat, and you'll always have space for people to sit. Finally, as we step forward into the bow, we have our hybrid pickle fork design. This is going to make it so that you guys can fit 2-3 adults up here. This keeps people out of the center of the boat. It makes it so that you can be up here sunbathing, doing whatever, while everybody else is surfing. Gives a really nice feel to the boat. Again, this is a MasterCraft NXT24 here at MarineMax Texas MasterCraft. My name is Tyler Smith. You guys can give us a call. We can get you squared away.